Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. Today's card is going to be using the sentiment only stamp set calls for a celebration, and if you've watched my previous videos, I love this stamp here. I may not always be there with you, but I am always there for you. I think we all know a friend that relates to. And we're going to be making this super simple card, as you can see here, which has so much impact using a lot of free celebration items. So put that to one side. While we're here, I wanted to bring in a new celebration item, which is this dynamic embossing folder, and it's super pretty. You can see all the flowers, the roses. I love it. And as you can see here, from a piece that I've already embossed, how detailed it is, how cute. So moving that out of the way, I have got a base of Balmy Blue that measures 4x4, and that's just, well, it's 4x8 scored at 4, sorry. And then I'm just going to bring in that matted layer, and just going to use my snail just to run across the back and then adhere that down like so. There we have it. So that's basically all the hard work done. I've already heat embossed the sentiment onto a piece of basic black, and all I'm going to do is fishtail the end. So I'm going to cut up in the middle and cut in either side, just to that middle point. So then I know that's in the centre, like so. So I'm going to pop that up onto some dimensionals. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double them up. So just layer one on top of each other, like so. Doesn't need to be perfect. And I'm going to pop one on the top and one on the bottom. And the reason for that is so we can put our little wood pieces in the sides. And I'm just going to pop that to the one side of the card, like so. So I'm going to bring in my wood elements now, which I've just collated in a little plastic wallet. And this is when you can play. You don't have to choose the exact same way. Did you all just see my glue dots fly? You don't have to put them in the exact same way as I have. There's so many to choose from. And again, these are free in celebration with an order of £45. So all I'm going to do is choose some that I want. And I'm just going to use a glue dot to adhere it down. So, glue dot. Use this one. So they're super easy. You just pop them out and get a glue dot. Sit that behind. And then I know I can just slot that under like so. Then I want a flower, big one. Pop that out. Grab myself a glue dot. That's just going to sit in the middle. And I want a little one, which I already have here. Glue dot. So with the little ones, I am just picking it off with my fingers and then just rolling it slightly. And that way it will sit on the back, like so. Press that down. And then teeny tiny flowers, got some here. again. Glue dots are amazing. Look how quick and easy it is just to attach these flowers. Put that one there. And then a final teeny tiny one. Then we'll go for a medium sized one. And then pop that one behind as well. And then just clear up. And by clear up I mean push to one side out of camera view. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of items are available, as well as links to my online shop where you can purchase them. While you're there, like, comment and subscribe, as well as share to your social media so everybody can see how quick and easy it is to make such a cute card. I'll see you around. Bye.